my creatively intelligent artists. Today we are going to be creating a monster self-portrait. Are you ready? I know that I am. Let's start with a big rainbow line for the head, and we're going to bring the lines all the way down to meet to create a circle. Let's add our eyes, and we're using a combination of rainbow lines and horizontal lines to get our eyes. Don't forget to add your eyelashes and of course your eyebrows. And you can draw your eyelashes and eyebrows however you want. Just remember to have fun. And if I am moving too fast, hit the pause button. Now it's time to add our nose, and we're going to be creating our nose a joint to our mouth. We want to give it a ripping effect to seem as if the skin is being ripped away so you can see the inside of it. Let's double the lines of the mouth so that it can look three-dimensional, meaning that it can look realistic. Let's add our gum, and we are using zigzag lines and curve lines to create the gum. And of course, the gum comes with the teeth. So we're adding the teeth, doing some big teeth so that it can look scary. And we're repeating the process at the bottom. We're adding our zigzag and curve lines for the gum, and then we're going to add our teeth. Let's add some more details to give the face a full peeling effect. So we're doing it like it's a half mask on the face and adding our little details so that it can look very three-dimensional. Don't forget to add your cracked effect. Let's add our neck along with 2 screws on both sides of the neck, as the screws are trying to hold the character together or the neck together. Your artwork is looking amazing so far, guys. You're doing an excellent job. All right, let's add our hair. Everyone has different hair texture, so you can add your hair texture to your artwork. Don't forget to add your hairline. We all have different hairlines, so you can add the one that works for you. Some persons have the square hairline or the box shape hairline. Some persons have a circular hairline. All right, guys, remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can always hit the pause button. You don't have to use a marker to highlight your artwork. It is up to you. Just remember to have fun. Guys, your monster self-portraits look amazing. I had fun with you in art class, and I will see you next time. Bye!